What's up, YouTube? Just got my Ecobee 3 Lite in. I'm gonna do a install video. Here's the box. Super nice packaging. Let's see what's installed inside this. It's cool. And here's everything inside of the box. Your installation instructions, the stickers that go on, the wires, and here's a back plate and extender if you're gonna need it. The first thing I'm gonna do is come here and shut down my AC. So here's my current unit. This is a Honeywell unit. So to take it off, all you have to just yank it off. And behind that, you'll see where all is currently hooked up, like W, Y, G. So you gotta take a picture of it and label it. Fortunately, I have a C wire. This blue purple line you see in the back is a C. As you can see right there, C. And I have a P or an R right there. So W, Y, G, C, and R. So you take these labels off and label each one of these wires. Once you have everything, you can completely unplug the old thermostat. And here's how it looks after I took the back plate off. So here we are. Like most people, I had to use the back plate because you know, the holes and the back is not painted. So the first step for me, since I only have one R wire, is to insert to the RC. You install all your wires that you labeled accordingly. Then you pretty much stuck everything in. If you can push it back into the wall, that would be good also. That's all you have to do. Then you install your Ecobee. After that, you just turn on your power back on and just follow through the process. Let's get started. You have detected a wire connected to RC. Remember, I only had one R wire, so yes, I only have RC connected. And it will pretty much give you what you connected, so just gotta continue saying it's correct. I prefer Fahrenheit. Got a furnace. Just pretty much follow the recommended. After that, you can set up your Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and once you're done going through all the settings, and we are officially up and running. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.